First, click the folder icon labeled Open File in the toolbar. You can use the keyboard shortcut Command+O or Control+O on PC. Locate your audio files on your hard drive and click Open. Now, second method. Locate your audio files on your hard drive. Drag selected files directly into Files panel. Select multiple audio files simultaneously. Drag them into the Files panel for instant import. After importing your audio, you stop Preview to navigate through your audio. Zoom in and out by expanding your preview or use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Highlight the portion of your audio you want to remove. Press the backspace key to delete this section. To keep on a specific part of your audio clip, select it, navigate to Edit, Crop, or use the shortcut Ctrl-T. Locate the audio waveform. Click on the point on the volume line where you want to fade in to begin. Drag the left side of the reference point down. This action bends the audio line, indicate a fade-in effect from the left to right as volume increases over time. To fade out, create a new point in the volume line towards the end of the audio. Drag the end of the line to the bottom. This action signifies the fade-out effect as the volume decreases over time. If you are not satisfied with your fade, you can modify the position of your points later. In your multi-track, ensure your audio is set to be time stretched by clicking on the stopwatch icon. After toggle global clip stretching, you can now adjust the speed of your audio. Select your audio clip, then click and hold the white triangle on the right side to stretch it to the left or right for speed adjustments. On the left side of your Properties panel, expand the Stretch menu. Set the mode to Real Time and adjust the stretch value to your preference. Select everything using the shortcut Ctrl+A. Navigate to Effects, then Noise Reduction and Distortion, and select De-Reverb. Toggle the effect icon preview the changes. This should already reduce the significant part of echo. To further remove echo, keep the audio highlighted. Go to Effects and then Amplitude and Compensation, and then select Dynamics. In Window, set presets to default and adjust the noise gate threshold to around -35. Tick the Auto Gate option. Experiment with the Hold option, trying value like 50 ms and 100 to find cleanest audio. Now toggle the effect off and on the compare the difference. In the upper left corner, click File. Choose the Save As option from drop-down menu. Type in your file name. Click on Browse to select destination where you want to save your project. Whether desktop, specific folder, is up to you. Typically, the default file format is sufficient. Ensure it's set to appropriate format for your project. If needed, adjust sample rate in settings. This step is crucial if you are exporting the specific platform. Confirm your choice by clicking the OK button. Your project is now saved in a specific location. To resume work on your project later, simply go to File menu, choose Save As again, and select the location where your project is stored. Your saved project will be ready for further editing. In the top menu, click on the file. Choose Export. For project in multi-track view, head to the multi-track and select Mix Down. Enter descriptive name for your file. In the name field, click Browse to choose location where you want to save your audio file. Choose the appropriate file format for your needs. MP3 file is a versatile choice for most devices. Once settings are configured, click Save or OK to export and save your audio file. In View format, navigate to File and then Export, and select File or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift+E. On the Export window, change the file name and save location. Click the arrow icon next to Format and choose MP3 Audio from the drop-down menu. Keep the sample rate and format settings as they are. Where you estimated file before exporting. In the multi-track view, go to File, then Export, and select Multi-track Mix Down, and choose either Select Clips or Entire Session. Adjust the file name, save location, and change the format to MP3. And that's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.